In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find drafts in Hootsuite. If you've ever been in the midst of planning your social media content and realized you needed to revisit a draft but weren't quite sure where to find it, don't worry, we'll guide you through the process step by step so that you can easily locate your drafts and continue crafting your perfect posts. First off, kick things off by navigating to the Hootsuite website. It's your gateway to managing all your social media from one place. The URL should be easy to type into your browser's address bar, or you can simply search for Hootsuite on your preferred search engine. Once you've arrived at the Hootsuite homepage, look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed, and clicking it will take you to the login page. This is where you begin your journey into your Hootsuite account where all your drafts and scheduled posts live. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email address associated with your Hootsuite account. It's typically the one you used when first signing up unless you've changed it. After you've entered your email, the next field will request your password. Type in your password carefully. If you've forgotten it, there's usually a link to reset it, so don't panic. With your credentials entered, press the Sign In button. Following a successful login, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Hootsuite. This is where the magic happens, where you can oversee all your social media channels, analyze performance metrics, and of course find your drafts. To get to your drafts, you'll first need to navigate to the Plan section of Hootsuite. Look for the Plan option in the navigation menu or icons. Clicking it will take you to a calendar view that represents your scheduled content across different platforms. Now, to drill down to your drafts, you'll need to use the date range feature. Locate the keyboard _arrow _down button, which should be fairly intuitive to find. It typically sits near the top or along the side of the calendar view. This button will reveal options to customize the date range you're looking at. Perfect for narrowing down when that elusive draft was created. Choose your desired date range. Was your draft from last week, last month? Select the range that makes the most sense. This will filter the calendar view, making it easier to sift through your scheduled content. Finally, with your date range set, posts that match your criteria, including drafts, will be displayed. Browse through them until you find the draft you are looking for. It should be indicated as a draft, making it distinguishable from scheduled or published posts. Once you've found your draft, hover over it or click on it. There should be an edit option. Selecting it will open up the draft for editing. Here you can make any necessary changes, finalize your content, and schedule it for publication. The edit screen is where you can unleash your creativity, tweaking your post until it's just right. And if you find yourself needing to step away, don't worry. Your changes will be saved as a draft, and now you know exactly how to find them again. Remember, being proficient with tools like Hootsuite can significantly streamline your social media management process, leaving you more time to engage with your audience or strategize on your next big campaign. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on how to make the most of your Hootsuite account and other social media management tools. Whether you're curating content, analyzing metrics, or scheduling posts, knowing how to navigate these platforms can make a big difference in your social media presence.